Hey, what is up, guys? It's been a little bit. This last week since I posted the giveaway video, I tried to shoot like 2 or 3 videos, but they just keep falling apart. Today's gonna be very simple. It's gonna be throwing on the eBay front like splitter rods and just an update on the car. So it's finally winterized. It's like winter mode. I might buy new front tires, but I doubt it. We're gonna go to a Halloween meet, which I got very little footage of because the cops blew it up like instantly. And then I'm just gonna throw like a little edit, I think. I'll just show you guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so splitter rods, both of them are here. They're a little too long, so it's probably gonna look kind of dumb, but truthfully, I don't really care that much. It's just a beater. But yeah, just a quick install for these. Just gonna go, and just like that, they're on, guys. Check it out. Not bad at all for $6. Forgot I ordered them. It's not the most even, but you know, it works. It looks kind of cool. And I'm like 99% confident the first snowstorm or any like massive slope that this thing hits, those probably are gonna go. Definitely in a blizzard. Maybe not when I'm actually just driving, but in a snowstorm and I'm drifting around and hitting banks or poles naturally, this thing's definitely gonna blow off. But I'm gonna leave it for now. Cleaner looking than these zip ties, and it's pretty cool. I'll do a quick little shoot on this. It's kind of a quick little video today for hitting the 500 subs and just showing you guys the winter mode on this. And then I'm gonna start actually shooting more cars every weekend. I'm gonna have a lot more time to myself. Yeah, so let's go find a spot. All right, guys, made it to the spot, and time to shoot. And that is it, guys. Quick little video shoot, I guess, of the winter beater, and honestly, it looks pretty good. I'm a little impressed. But I told you it'd be a quick video today. I got some stuff I got to do for work, and yeah, thank you once again. Finally hit the 500 mark. It's awesome. Let's make it 1,000 next. And yeah, this winter and upcoming, it's gonna be, I'm actually moving into Brooklyn, and then it's gonna be a lot of snowboarding videos, a lot of like Subaru drifting stuff. And yeah, so hopefully you guys like that. It's usually what I do over the winter. Some car videos, hopefully here and there, but I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I'm not gonna plan anything, just go with the flow. But thank you guys so much for the 500, and I'm out. So peace out. Hit that subscribe and like button, and peace.